Hi learners, BABU'S ലേണിംഗിന്റെ പുതിയൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. നമ്മളിന്ന് കുറച്ച് എക്സസൈസ് പ്രോബ്ലംസ് കുറച്ച് പ്രോബ്ലംസ് ആണ് നോക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ആ പ്രോബ്ലംസ് നമ്മൾ കഴിഞ്ഞ ദിവസം പഠിച്ച ഇക്വേഷൻ പ്രകാരം എങ്ങനെ ചെയ്തു പോകാമെന്നും എത്ര എളുപ്പമായി ചെയ്തു പോകാൻ കാര്യങ്ങളെന്നും എളുപ്പത്തിൽ മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ നമ്മുടെ ഡേ ടു ഡേ ലൈഫിൽ ഈ പ്രോബ്ലംസ് എത്രമാത്രം ഉപയോഗപ്പെടുന്നു എന്ന കാര്യങ്ങളെ കുറിച്ച് നമുക്ക് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാം. ആദ്യം നമ്മൾ പ്രോബ്ലത്തോടെ തന്നെ പോകാം. എന്താണ്? ഫൈൻഡ് ദ least value of probability p of 1 less than equal to x less than equal to 7 where x is a random variable with mean 4 and variance 4. Okay, go to solution. എന്താണ്? Given mean e of x equal to 4, variance equal to 4. അപ്പോൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? സിബിസ്കിൻ ഈക്വൽ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? Based on the formula p of 1 mod x minus mu less than equal to k sigma greater than equal to 1 minus 1 by k square. ഇതാണ് ഫോർമുല അല്ലേ? ഇതാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? ആ ഒരു ഫോർമുല പഠിച്ച ഫോർമുല. നെക്സ്റ്റ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യാം. എന്താണ്? പി ഓഫ് പ്രോബിലിറ്റി ഓഫ് എക്സ് മൈനസ് 4 mod x minus 4 less than equal to 2k. Here be variance equal to 4, then using to 2k, sigma is equal to 2 greater than equal to 1 by 1 minus 1 by k square. But have to find the least value of but we have to find the least value is mentioned, it least value. Then p of 1 less than equal to x less than equal to 7 is p of 1 minus 4 1 minus x minus 1 minus 4 less than equal to x minus 4 less than equal to 7 minus 4. Then what we is the 7? 1 minus 4 less than equal to x minus 4 x minus 4 less than equal to 7 minus. This partition is already studied, how to know about the partitions to each steps. Then the p of minus 3 4 minus 1 so minus 3 less than equal to x minus 4 less than equal to 3. Then the limit is minus 3 to 3. Then how to write it? P of mod x minus 4 less than equal to 3 is a positive, taken as positive. Then how to take as put 2k equal to 3, then 2k equal to here to 3 x minus 4 equals than equal to 2k. What's equations? Takes the x minus 4 less than equal to 2k. Here x minus 4 is less than equal to 2k. Then 2k equal to 3, then what we get? K equal to 2 by k equal to 3 by 2 and 1 by k equal to 2 by 3. K equal to 3 by 2 and 1 by k equal to, let's take a reciprocal 2 by 3. Then therefore p of 1 less than equal to x less than equal to 7. Therefore that's equal to p of mod x minus 4 less than equal to 3 greater than equal to 1 minus 1 by k. That means 1 minus 4 by 9 equal to 5 by 9. Least value of probability is 5 by 9. I hope to understand that. Then what you do? Just to take the formula and apply it. That's enough to do. To know the Sebescu formula, then use the formula to apply these values to that formula, then get the answer. Going to the second problem. A random variable x has mean 50 and variance 100. Use Sebescu inequality. Obtain the appropriate bonds for, first one is p of x less x mod x minus 50 greater than equal to 15. And second one, p of mod x minus 50 less than 20. To find these two things, first of all the probability p of probability of x minus 50 mod x minus 50 greater than 15. Then second one is the p of x minus 50 less than 20. Then how to do into a problem? Given e of x equal to 50, variance of x equal to 100. It's already given. Then using the new formula, p of mod x minus 50 greater than equal to 10k greater than equal to 1 by k square. Is it less than equal to 1 minus 1 by k square? Here be in the greater than equal to using 1 by k square. Simply to write it. Find the p of mod x minus 50 greater than 15. We are going to find out this one. Then 10k equal to 15. 10k 100. Here we variance of x equal to 100. Then we using 10k equal to 15. Then k equal to 15 by 10. Then 3 by 2. Get the k value. Get k value, substitute where equations. P of mod x minus 50 greater than 15 equal less than equal to 4 by 19. And upper bound of the required probability 4 by 90 is will be less than equal to, then be using upper bound. This greater than equal to lower bound. So using the upper bound will be in the what we get is a 4 by 90 is a required probabilities. Upper bound probability is 4 by 9. Then second one, p of x minus 50 less than 10k using k equal to 1 minus 1 by k square. Here we to find less than 20. Then k values 10k equal to 20, k equal to 2, 1 minus 1 by k square is equal to 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. Then 4 minus 1 is 3 by 4. Value of 1 minus 1 by k square is equal to 3 by 4. Then substitute here p of mod x minus 50 less than 20 greater than equal to 3 by 4. Greater than equal, then we have lower value. Then lower bound of the required probability is 3 by 4. Just we check on here is upper bound and lower bound checking only here. First of all to check the upper bound and last of all to check the lower bound. First upper bound what we get 4 by 9 and lower bound is 3 by 4. Okay, now the next problem. Let x have the probability density function f of x equal to 1 by 2 root 3 at the limit minus root 3 less than x less than root 3 or 0 is elsewhere. Show by substituting inequality p of set in mod x greater than or equal to 3 by 2 has an upper bound 4 by 9 where true value is 1 minus root 3 by 2. Here we want to go to show this is true. Using the equation, based on this equation, want to true, this is true, want to show this is true. Then here not mention the any mean and variance like anything show that. Then first of all to find the variance, then only can use to substitute inequality. If you get the variance, then easy to use the substitute inequality. Then going to find the variance as going to solution as apply the substitute inequality required mean and variance of x. Then the e of x is mean is equal to integral over minus root 3 to 2 root 3 x f of x dx. Then minus root 3 of x 1 by 2 root 3 dx. Based on dx here x will be get on to 0 equal to 0 being the integrate of our odd functions. Integrate the odd function integrate, then we get 0. Then mean is 0, then we're going to find the variance. Variance of v of x equal to e of x square, then integral minus root 3 to root 3 x square f of x dx. Then to take f of x equal to 1 by 2 root 3 1 by 2 root 3 dx. Then take integration of the take us to 2 into function of 2 gets 2 into 1 by 2 root 3 0 to root 3 x square dx. Then we change means minus root 3 to root 3 change to 0 to root 3, then get a 2 to cancel 1 by root 3. Then we get integrations to what we get x cube by 3 and root 3 to 0. Then substitute the value of x to here the root 3 and 0. Then what we get 1 by 3 root 3 is into root 3 the whole cube. Root 3 whole cube means 3 root 3. Then these are both are cancelled but get 1. The variance now we get the mean equal to 0 and variance equal to 1. Then both are going to the going to find substitute inequality or check the substitute inequality. Substitute inequality means p of mod x minus 0 mean is 0, then greater than equal to k dot 1 variance is 1, then greater than equal to 1 by k square. Then using these equations to go on upper bound. How to get the upper bound? 2 p of mod x greater than equal to 3 by 2. Then the upper bound is given the 4 by 9, then to change 3 by 2. Then k equal to 3 by 2, p of mod x greater than 3 by 2. This is then equal to 4 by 9 using the upper bound. Then the equations to based on the like function of the upper bound. Then what we get the upper bound is 4 by 9. That is true. That's the question says to show the upper bound is this and true value is this. Something is given that the question you are going to show is now to show the upper bound is 4 by 9 is true. Then next we want to show the true value. How to show that the true value? Using the p of mod x greater than equal to 3 by 2. This is the value. Then 1 minus p of mod x greater than 3 by 2. Then 1 minus p of values in 3 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2 less than x less than equal to x less than 3 by less than equal to 3 by 2. Then the change is equal to 1 minus integral over this limit is. Then minus 3 by 2 to 3 by 2 x means to f of x dx. F of x means we know that the value 1 minus integral of minus 3 by 2 to and 1 by 2 root 3 dx. Then to take these are take outside, then what we get 1 minus 2 root 3 2 root 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 root 3 and integral over minus 3 by 2 dx. Then 1 minus 1 by this take outside to get and into take integrations in order to us to find 0. Then to take integrations dx is integration to us get x. The limit is 3 by 2 and minus 3 by 2. Then substitute the values on here, then what we get 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 gets 3. Then the 1 minus 1 by 2 root 3 into 3. So 3 is divided into root 3 into root 3. Then what we get as a root 3 cancelled is again 1 root 3 have 1 minus root 3 divided by 2. These things are to give the questions. Then the value is true and the upper bound is true, then the subscript inequality is satisfied. Just the question says that how to show. The condition says an f of x equal to 1 by 2 root 3 and the limit is minus root 3 less than x less than root 3 or 0 is elsewhere. Then we are, as questions tell us to show, then we are short. This is a true. It's not for change, this is a true value. I think it's understand. Then going for next solution, next problem. Is already told is that the problem, every problems are something these difference, little bit differences, and based on the values or the conditions or the situations based on the changes the problems as a different problem to learn and use the different situations. As you learn the different types of problems, then you use the different situations. Or I like to learn, you suppose you would like to, you would learn as a similar problems, then you can't use the different situations on the problem on different equations. And the fourth problem is discussed on, suppose that the life length of the electronic device, the life length on an electronic device as a probability density function f of x equal to power minus x and x greater than 0, determine the p of mod x minus 1 less than 2. 1 exactly and 2 is approximately used Sabescu inequality. So two conditions to want to show. Electronic device life, then f of x is equal to minus e power x. As like us to as a before problem. Is going to for solution how much is related to the before problem and 1, 2, 3 problems. We're going to check and given f of x is equal to e power minus x, x greater than 0. X is positive. Then to 0 to infinity, as take a limit, as integration to limit is a positive 0 to infinity. So you want to find the mean x f of x dx. Then x e power x dx is equal to what we get gamma 2 divided by 1 square is equal to 1. Then the variance is equal to 1 using 0 to infinity x e power minus x using the gamma 2 divided by 1 square is equal to 1. Then variance of x is equal to e of x square minus e of x all square. Then last we say e of x is 0, then we not use this one. Then not use this, then this only to use. Then here to e of x whole square is equal to e of x square is equal to 0 to infinity x square e power minus x dx equal to gamma root 3 divided by 3. Here be as x square, then using the gamma 3 divided by 3. Here be x, so gamma 2, then the gamma 3 divided by 3 is equal to 2. And the value is applying, we get 2. And then variance of x is equal to minus 1. He already gets this one. Then 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. The mean equal to 1 and the variance is 1. Then get the mean and variance to go and find this first one. First one was to say for the questions exactly. Oh, going to x of exactly means 2 is the maximum. P of mod x minus 1 is less than equal to is changes to greater than equal to less than 2 changes to greater than 2 has exactly 1 minus p of mod x less than equal to 2 as to doing the problem to easy to learn and easy to understand to suppress them. Then what we get the 1 minus p minus 2 to 2 and the limit x minus 1 to 2 1 minus p minus 1 they're using the 2 minus 1 less than equal to the 3 and the limit x minus 1 to give this one, so minus 1 plus 1 2 minus 1 this 2 minus 1 go to that side 2 plus 1 then 2 plus 1 3 and minus 2 plus 1 equal to minus 1. The limit is 0 to 3, then the minus 1 is not applicable, then the probability is on the value of 0, then the positive values, then using 1 minus integral over 0 to 3 f of x dx. Then 1 minus 0 to 3 e power f of x means e power minus x dx, e power minus x to integrate to what we get 1 plus e minus x divided by minus 1 upon the limit 0 to 3. Then apply the both values on x, 1 plus e power minus 3 and minus 1. Then minus 1 plus 1 is cancelled out, then we get e power minus 3 equal minus 3 using the calculator value as 0.0498. And the value also exactly is to what value is to what we get the to say this question is exactly, then we want to find the value of x, then to the e power minus 3 is equal to 0.498. That means 0.0498 is still low value, it's a small value. Then going to find the second one is approximately using Sabescu inequality, and then we using the equations or we get p of mod x minus 1 get n equal to k sigma is n equal to 1 by k square. Then value of 1 minus k is equal to 1, sigma is equal to 1, then using k is n equal to 1 by k square. Then what we get, what we have to find mod x minus 1 get n 2, then take a k equal to 2. Here the k to mod x minus 1 get n equal to 2 is less than 1 by 4. The value of the subscripting value is set about gets 1 by 4. Then the mean and only find the mean and variance, then we get show that the value of exactly and so approximation using the subscripting value. What we get subscripting value is 1 by 4 and the value is e power minus 3 is equal to 0.0498. Then these are these things though this to get the answer and then easy to understand the answer and the solutions. And nothing to do of the solutions using the main equations and how to the changes in some things. So that life problems anywhere using the problems main enough to understand what I want to give and what you want to find. Then other giving the using the given things to go to find value. Then only easy to understand. As a first of all to understand the whatever to give the constants is already say that then what we want to find as equation whatever properties are required as using the like a subscript inequality and whatever this mainly you need as using the subscript inequality we need as the mean and variance and then only to k value of find the k value and to source and to limit integrating them. But then first if the question is not give that the mean and variance to find the mean and variance using the value whatever the questions to give then use that value to find the mean and variance then only is to smoothly to do that problem. Then okay to understand then going to next problem like the fifth example is as told is every example is different. Then how to say the fifth example, let x be a random variable taking values -1 0 plus 1 with probabilities 1 by 8 and 6 by 8 and 1 by 8 is -1 to 1 by 8 0 to 6 by 8 and plus 1 to 1 by 8 respectively. Find using subscript inequality upper bound probability is p of mod x greater than equal to 1. Then how about find what do you want to find using subscript inequality upper bound of a probability upper bound not give us just only give the probability only p of mod x greater than equal to 1. Then whatever the x values random variable what we take -1 0 and 1 and only give the probabilities. Then go into solution how to solve the problem. First we want to find the mean and variance. I think it's a mean and variance. How to find the mean summation of xi and pi using the equations. Then what you want to xi is -1 and pi probability function is 1 by 8 plus 0 to 6 by 8 0 to 6 by 8 and 1 out of 1 by 8. What we get is 0 then -1 to get 1 by 8 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 8 will be 0. Then both dot will be 0. The mean is 0. Then they're going to find the variance. Variance is -1 square plus 1 by 8 and 2 0 square and 1 square. What we get will be 0 and 1 square 1 by 8 and 1 by 8 1 by 8 2 by 8 2 by 8 equal to 1 by 4. This is e of x equal to 0. And then the e of x square is equal to 0 and then into 1 by 4. Then e of x equal to 0 then not use here and the value is equal to 1 by 4. By subscript inequality what we get the mean is 0 and k value is equal to less than equal to and mod x. By subscript inequality what we get as a pair of mod x greater than equal to k by 2 and as a values of k by 2 and is equal to 1 by k square. How to use the k by 2 is 1 by 4 is the variance is 1 by 4 then using k by 2 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 k square. But we want to find the p of mod x greater than equal to 1 then take k by 2 equal to 1 as k by 2 equal to 1 is here and the k value is 2. Get the k value then how easy to find the subscript inequality. Then using this k by 2 is equal to 1 by k square then using the k by 2 is equal to 2 and mod x greater than equal to 1 less than equal to 1 by 4 using the k by 2 is equal to 2 k equal to 2 then 1 by k square is equal to 1 by 4 and then easy to find the values is equal to 1 by 4. These equations as a question based on the questions something first of all to say the questions is different give some random variables and its probabilities as different things but using the same as the answer is same things then easy to find not for a long problem it's easy to find. First of all to hear things you remind of that what to give and how to transfer to my side our side Then to as a questionnaire style is different, but answer style is same. So every question is using the same style. Then using the properties. What how to give the questions? First of all, to as a learner to know the what how to give the questions is don't care, and how to find or what how to find the answer, how to reach the answer. Then only on the mind. Then easy to learn and easy to do the problems. I hope that everyone to understand the problems as we discussed the last five problems. Everyone to understand and keep on watching